Uy, hello everyone. Nag-brown out diri.
Connection.
Alright. Daghan naman ang join.
Why is everyone here today? Because since the very first day, Reway has always insisted on holding training seminars. There's answers and solutions here to let you perform well in your Reway career. Maybe you've only wanted to learn something here in the beginning, but here you will discover that there's many ways and even more opportunities. Many speakers started their journey here. Like a turning point, life begins to change through learning.
我们还是坚持要有会议。我们有这个会议，就是为了今天刚刚加入的那个人。我要保持 Reway 是个机会啊！只要有一个这样的人就够了。我希望那个人就是你。
Reway Leadership Training Seminar is the beginning of your change.
今天你们坐在这边，荣誉肯定对你重要。
In Reway, every legacy is shaped by sacrifice and celebration. A stage not built from fame, but from dedication, courage, and unbreakable belief. This is where ordinary people have proved time and time again that with extraordinary commitment, greatness is possible. A world-class recognition unfolds tonight, bringing together leaders from many nations, carrying the strength, achievements, and legacy that will shape this moment. From Asia to the world, this stage became a symbol of unity and belief. To bring together people of every color and culture in pursuit of a common goal.
Relay 有一个很好的文化，那就是感恩的文化。我们很乐意的背负着更大的责任，去协助身边的人，踏实的走向成功。
立业人不管是老板还是 CMT 们，还是领导人，他们不担心你要，他担心你不要。他们不怕你成功，怕你不想成功。
Tonight, we honor more than success. We celebrate this journey together because what began as a recognition of greatness now becomes a tribute to something even greater. Our shared journey made whole because of you. This gala dinner is a night where elegance meets unity. A celebration of our present and a commitment to dream bigger together, to aim higher together, and achieve more together. As thousands of united hearts converge into an unstoppable force, born from an extraordinary legacy, tempered through years of perseverance and vision, sustained by the courage to ignite the dreams of others.
因为都会花心思去筹办活动，因为这是我们想给领导人的价值，是因为你们是值得的。
This is only the beginning, because in Reway, every step forward is a step toward even greater purpose.
那是一件多么伟大的事情，那是一件多么值得表扬的事情，那是一件多么值得被肯定的事情。
Our story is still being written with every leader who dares to believe, with every team that dares to strive, with every heart that dares to rise. Together, we continue the journey.
What will your last 10 years look like? Will you be quick enough for a game of tag with your grandchild? Strong enough to embrace every moment? Will you grow old with vitality? Or get old with disease? It's time to decide.
Alright, good evening everyone. Hala. I wasn't expecting that we will be this many this evening. Wow, sobrang dami natin. We are like 25 participants. Hello, Ate Marge. Good evening. Good evening to each and everyone. Hello, Ma'am Araceli Makasasa. Yan,
Sir Lloyd, good evening.
yan,
I
nag-brown
think
out.
Regina has
Oo.
2 participants.
Wow, Ma'am Margina, hello, good evening, together with the 2 participants who are participating with this meeting right now. Yeah, thank you so much, Ma'am Beverly. Good evening. And to each and everyone who are inside the meeting room right now, I would like also to acknowledge the presence of our Team Supreme Pegasus 3 that is inside the meeting room right now. By the way, my name is Jesse Lloyd Partosa. I am one of the associates of Riway International, and our advocacy is to inform and present people that there is a modality right now that aside from being hospitalized, kung merong mga sakit, there is a modality that will help us regain health and vitality. So, last night, we had our Zoom meeting, an intimate Zoom meeting together with the people from Pagadian City, right, Tita Marge? Together with our HR from the Department of Agrarian Reform. Tama? Oo. We also had our people listening coming from Cebu and also from Sebring, Florida. So right now, I am really amazed because I think I am recognizing a lot of people whom are inside the team already. And when I was browsing on the group chat, I saw that our link was posted by Tita Beth. So basically, that's why they are joining right now. And I think there are people who are joining coming from Luzon. I can recognize Max inside the room right now. Ma'am Chirel, if I'm not mistaken, is coming from Pagadian City also. Yeah. And also Ma'am Alvi. I think I saw Ma'am Alvi way back in Bangkok, Thailand. Also, I'm very familiar with this MDRRMO Bunawan. Yeah, Ma'am Eileen from Cambodia. Wow! Welcome to our Zoom event for this evening. Cambodia and Bangkok. Wow, sawadee kap. Kap kun kap. So basically tonight, do not expect for a very formal presentation. Because supposedly, this was a very intimate Zoom, and since the link was in your hands already and you are inside the meeting room already, I do not have the strength or kana bang wala po akong ibang magawa but to really give my best for this night's presentation, because I think we are really being, we are joined by one of our very own top leader, Elizabeth Montero inside. So what is the purpose of this Zoom? The very purpose of this Zoom meeting is to present to you, to provide answers, because maybe some of you are inside this meeting right now because somehow you are invited. You are invited to listen, you are invited to observe, you are invited to watch. Maybe that person who invited you knows that maybe you may need the product, or may need the system, or may need the platform, or maybe somebody urgently needs stem cell therapy right now. Alright? So, magpaila-ila ko sa mga dili kasabot og Bisaya, no? I am a very dakong Bisaya, no? I am Jessie Lloyd Partosa. I am a nurse by profession. And I am with Reway since 2019, but I got really activated with Reway and started really doing the advocacy and the business, way back 2022. So yeah, that's how I really started the business and really started on pushing and pursuing the advocacy of helping a lot of people to know more about this Portier and Reway International. Okay, so we are with Reway International. We will present to you what is Reway. Reway is a Singaporean company involved in the research and development of stem cells. Okay? So I know that you're already familiar with stem cells, and talking about this stem cell therapy and Reway, this will be a very redundant topic, I might say. Maybe some of you have already heard presentations like this way back before, and some of you, this is your first time listening with this presentation. So for the sake of those people who are listening with us for the first time, this is Reway International. Alright? And I'll be presenting the greatest opportunity of the century. So makikita po ninyo doon po sa aking slide na first slide. I think you have seen this one already, right? Reway Jubilee Diamond, greatest opportunity of the century. So ang atin pong topic will be, regaining health and vitality using stem cell therapy. All right? Now Reway is a Singaporean company involved with this product for already 18 years. Okay? So my name is Jessie Lloyd Partosa para maano ninyo, makita gid ninyo akong tibok ng ngalan. So I'll be presenting the product, but before that, for sure, this is the very common question that we are going to ask. Is our health important? The answer will be yes. Diba? Makita gud nimo sa chat basically. The answer will be very strong yes. Because why? Based on the data of the World Health Organization, we are bombarded with sickness and diseases, and we are just like a walking time bomb each and every day of our life. What do I mean by that? Ikaw karon nga naminaw, ikaw ngayon na nakikinig diyan sa screen mo, you know your body already. You know what are the complaints of your body through you. Alam mo kung may sakit ka o wala. And mind you, sabi ni World Health Organization, we are already death sentenced without committing any crime. And you know what? 74% of the population na namatay noong 2019, etong 10 lang na ito ang pinaka-main cause. Would you agree with me that, in every 2 to 3 people na kakilala mo ngayon, meron ng diabetes? Would you agree with me na in every 3 to 5 person na kakilala mo ngayon, meron ng 3 or 2 dyan may heart disease na? Or may cancer na? Tama? Because, why? Sedentary lifestyle. Kung kakain ng rice, sobrang rice, unlimited. Wrong diet. No? Aging population. I think last night, we met someone who already has yung anak ni ma'am. Hindi ko na lang i-mention, pero meron ng at the very young age, meron ng iniinda. And they are preparing to really regain health and vitality using our product right now, the stem cell. Now, once na magkasakit po ang tao, automatically po, hindi ka naman magpapakwak doctor or magse-self-medicate. Meron ba? I think marami din mga tao na gano'n na they do self-medication. But the problem with self-medication is that maybe we can take a lot of synthetic medicines that can really harm our liver and kidneys, that it would lead to dialysis. This has become the bottleneck crisis of today's medical science. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Kahit gaanong panggagamot pa ang gawin ng ating mga scientifico at mga doktor, hanggang ceiling lang po yun, hanggang dun lang. Ibig sabihin, pag meron silang gamot, pag merong maibibigay na gamot para sa iyo, para sa high blood, para sa diabetes, para sa tuberculosis, para sa Alzheimer's, or maybe para sa cancer, hanggang dito lang yon. Ibig sabihin, pag ininom mo yung gamot, it will only control the signs and symptoms, but it will never heal the body. Say for example, may kakilala ka ba na may maintenance medication na? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, no? Marami na, no? Marami na siguro. Pero basically yung mga kakilala natin na yon, may mga maintenance medication. Hanggang ngayon nagme-maintenance pa rin sila. 'Di ba? Si Teacher Elsie nga sabi niya, "Yes, me." 'Di ba? Hanggang ngayon nag-i-insulin pa rin sila. All right? Oo. Pasensya na kasi ako lang kasi yung tech. So ako din yung taga-accept ng mga bagong pumapasok. Okay, hindi ako makapaglagay ng try kong i-co-host. Walang co-host eh. Pero okay lang. Oo. So yeah. May kakilala ka ba na may diabetes, nag-i-insulin hanggang ngayon? And that insulin was given maybe 5 years, 10 years ago. So sabi nila gamot daw eh. But you know what? It's the bottleneck crisis of today's medical science. It's a really huge problem. It's a global pandemic. Now whether you like it or not, yung mga maintenance na yan, you will take it for the rest of your life until death do you part. But you know what? There is another modality of approaching this one, of regaining health and vitality, and it is on the natural way. What is that? It is the discovery or the recent medical science breakthrough. Sinusubukan kong i-co-host sana, kahit yung sarili ko, pwede ko naman sanang i-co-host eh. Pero I am not finding any button na pwedeng mag-co-host. Anyway, no problem. I will try to cope up na ako yung mag-host, ako din yung taga-accept. Okay? So, this is the recent medical science breakthrough. The discovery of stem cell. Ano yun? Stem cells are the most basic form of all living things. Stem cells is your body and my body. We are made up of two individual cells, the sperm and the ovum, nag-unite through fertilization process kasi 'di ba? Yung story na in love si mama kay papa. Tapos sa isang magandang gabi na naghawakan sila ng kamay. Ipagpapatuloy ko pa ba ang story? I think alam niyo na kung anong nangyari, 'di ba? No, and you know what? This mother stem cell ang tinatawag when nag-fertilize na siya. Ang tawag doon is embryonic stem cell. This embryonic stem cell has the ability to develop into multi-cells and multipotent cells inside our body. All right? It has a limited possibilities of treatment boundaries and miraculous abilities. Now, within 9 months, it had developed more than 300 different types of stem cells na naging baby yun. Lalabas yung baby. Ikaw yun. Ako yun. So, ganito lang. If ever ang plastic, eto may hawak ako na plastic bottle, if ever eto mabutas, ano ang gagawin ko para ma-repair ko ito? Ano ang itatapak ko? Glass or rubber or plastic also para ma-heal ko yung butas? You can you can open your mic or you can you can have your comment, 'di ba? So ganon. So basically since plastic ito, ang ire-repair ko sa kanya plastic of what is made of. Tama. Yes, plastic of course. Pag sinabi ko na yung grill ng bahay mo or yung window grill ng bahay mo nasira, ano yung material na i-fix natin or i-repair natin? Basically the same material, tama? Grill din or iron grill, tama ba? Diba? So, bakit ikaw, 'di ba? Sabi kanina ni Teacher Elsie, may maintenance siya. Bakit tayo na may sakit tayo sa katawan, parati tayong umiinom ng gamot? What is this medication made of? I-define ko lang. Synthetic meds are naturally made or basically made out of synthetic chemicals or chemically made drugs. So, it does not make sense to let your body repair and heal if your body is made out of stem cell and then you are bombarding your body with a lot of toxins using chemicals, right? Kasi yun yung nangyayari ngayon eh. Kaya nga 'di ba, mapapaisip ka bakit hindi nga pala sila gumagaling? Kasi maybe there is something wrong with the type of medication that we are doing. But did you know na etong stem cell na ito has very miraculous abilities that, it has been in the market since 1800s, since 1700s. They started with the first patient na wala na talagang magawa ang doktor. Pina-injectan na lang nila ng stem cell. And did you know what? Yung patient na yon umayos with stem cell therapy. So basically, I will just be, referring to these journals, to these magazines with the miracles of stem cells. Ano sinasabi ng iba't ibang mga journals and magazines and newspapers? Sabi dito, stem cell and autism 1 year later, ang sobrang gandang effect. AIDS patient cured with stem cell therapy from HIV-resistant donor. Stem cell therapy to treat diabetes. Stem cell therapy on cancer treatment. And ito yung ifo-focus ko. Yung Time magazine na it's a New York Times magazine, which is a very reputable magazine. Hindi yan sila pwedeng mag-post ng kung ano-ano na ikakasira ng kanilang reputation. But did you know that 3 times in their front page, feature nila ang stem cell therapy? And merong isang na-feature na newspaper sa Taiwan. Ito tinranslate ko sa Google Photo. Yung AI, 'di ba? Nagta-translate sila ngayon. Yung 50 tsaka may 100, nakikita mo yung pula tsaka may medyo yellow and pink. A 100-year-old man and a 50-year-old body. I know that maybe some of you right now are searching for, youth and vitality. Somebody inside this meeting room right now, sinasabi mo, gusto kong magkaroon ng stem cell pero I don't know how to get it. Gusto kong malaman kung ano yung benepisyo ng stem cell. Para saan ba talaga yung stem cell na yan? Kasi basically, you're invited here to listen about this one and to really digest and understand kung para ba ito sa'yo o hindi. You know what? Because of these articles, sinasabi nila that this is an unstoppable medical science trend. Na isa siyang bagong isa siyang bagong revolusyon sa panggagamot na nag-emerge. Alright? Now, let us define stem cell therapy. What is stem cell therapy? Stem cell therapy is a unique cell with the ability to develop into any cell in the body. And it will be able to repair. This is the future of medicine. Stem cells can replace, restore, and regenerate. Ano yung i-replace, i-restore, at i-regenerate niya? Yung nadadamage na po na organs, tissues, and cells inside the body. So, common analogy, if your stem cell is made up of your body is made up of stem cells, basically, you have to supply or you have to support your body with a lot of stem cells. Are you following? Kasi bakit? Our body is naturally made of stem cells, so we need to supply. We need to reignite our body na magkaroon siya ng maraming stem cells, magkaroon siya ng repair, regeneration, and restoration. Yung mga cells na yon na nadadamage na, nadi-disease na or na-inflame, ginagamitan ng stem cell therapy with a non-surgical procedure. Alright? Now, ito po yung potential uses of stem cells. Marami po yan eh. Hindi ko na po iisa-isahin. Kasi bakit? Mula ulo hanggang paa. Head to toe. Cephalocaudal. Alright? So, from the tip of the hair to the tip of the toe, once ang stem cell mapasok sa iyong system, sa iyong katawan, sa bloodstream mo, automatically magkikreate siya ng 3 bagay. Cell repair, cell regeneration, and cell restoration or rejuvenation. Alright? Now, these are the methods of receiving stem cells. Anong una? Placental injection sa beauty salon. Placental injection sa Switzerland. Ito yung isa sa mga pinakamahal. Alam nyo na mahal naman talaga. It would cost 3 to 6 million pesos or around 40 to 80,000 US dollars. Actually, last night I was talking English, full English talaga yung presentation namin because we were joined by an American guy whom I know in Florida, and yeah, he have already decided to really start with Portier and Riway. So, I think naman sa ating audience ngayon walang foreigner naman, tama. Pag if there is any foreigner in the meeting room right now, kindly comment on the chat so that I may know na you are inside in the Zoom and maybe you cannot understand. Mayroon, Max. Okay? So yeah, I really need to talk English, okay? Because somebody from Thailand and Cambodia are listening. So the first way to acquire stem cell is going to you go to Switzerland, have an injection, spend like around 40 to 80,000 US dollars more or less. and stay there for a month or two. And this type of injection on acquiring stem cell is very expensive and time consuming. Why? You need to go there. And if we do not have that amount of money, basically we cannot go there. So we need to really have so much money so that we can acquire this one. There is also a very cheap, stem cell therapy which we can acquire in beauty salons. The so-called placental injection in beauty salon. Ito naman, this has safety concerns why a lot of people right now are injecting intravenously, intramuscularly. Ibig sabihin, that means that some people, even though they are not medical professionals, they are injecting dextrose and giving, vitamin C, B complex, even Ozempic right now, the anti-diabetic, they say, medication that suppresses the food intake. I think a lot of people in Dipolog City right now are very addicted to this one. But did you know that it has a very worse side effect? And a lot of, highly obese people are trying to lose weight with this Ozempic. And they just can get it from, from beauty salons, from the doctors who would also want to earn money without thinking about the side effect. So yeah, safety concerns and non-professionals in the beauty salon. Maybe you don't know where the stem cell is coming from, or maybe they are just not stem cells, but they were just trying to sell you. They want to earn from you. That's why they will use marketing. They will use placenta. They will use the term stem cell so that they can inject something in you and they can get money from you. All right. Now, another benefit of receiving stem cell, another method is stem cell transplant. Very painful and very expensive. So how are we going to define that one? Say for example, if you have two kidneys, basically everybody has two kidneys. Pero na lang kung one of your kidneys was removed. If one kidney is damaged, the other kidney is healthy, we can get healthy, fresh stem cells from this healthy kidney and then reintroduce it to the other kidney that is damaged. Alright, this is painful and very expensive. Why? Because it won't use any anesthesia. Alright, the other one is cord blood banking, the blood that is coming from the cord of a newly born baby or newly delivered mother who had a delivery. This will be given or preserved in a facility, and then if ever the mother and the child get sick, it will be reintroduced. Now, the other one is adult stem cell banking, or the so-called autologous stem cell injection. Your own stem cells coming from your fats from your belly. Okay? The fats from your belly is being extracted. And then they put it in a centrifuge. They re-inject or reintroduce it to you. Okay? And it's expensive and maybe it's too late already. Because why? Do you have a very good stem cell right now? Do you think your body is still healthy right now? Or maybe, do you think that your stem cell can still do repair and regeneration right now? Your personal stem cell? I don't think so. If you are 30 years old and above right now, with the current lifestyle, with the current sedentary lifestyle that you are not sleeping very well, you are eating with a lot of fast foods every day, you are smoking, you are drinking, you are killing the body slowly. Slowly trying to dig 6 feet below the ground with what everybody is doing right now. We are sleeping with our cell phones in our heads. We are sleeping with the Wi-Fi routers inside our room. We are putting our cellular phones inside our pockets, which is very near to our reproductive systems. That's why basically a lot of troubles are happening. A lot of illnesses are, really happening in a lot of people right now. Illnesses and diseases comes. There is also another method of receiving stem cell that is free. Who would want to have a free stem cell? Kindly comment 1 on the group chat if you want to have a free stem cell. Sige nga. Let me see if you are really listening. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, dami. 5, 6, 7. Ka-enjoy naman kayo. Thank you so much for your for your cooperation and participation. Yeah, I know that you want stem cell that is for free. Who wouldn't want to have a free stem cell? But there is a very big but. Because why? This type or method is healthy lifestyle. The question is, are you exercising every day? If yes, you type 1. You are exercising every day. And very good if you really do exercise every day. The second requirement is that you can acquire healthy stem cells if trying daw. You can acquire healthy stem cells if you take foods that are highly nutritious every day. Oh, is anybody can really attest that you are really eating very healthy foods every day? Or you are taking health supplementations every day? Because basically your food cannot give no, ang laki ng no. Basically your food cannot give the healthy nutritional needs that your body need every day. So basically it's a really big no. That's why it's very ineffective. And maybe you do exercise but you are not persistent. You eat vegetables or fruits but you are not persistent. You eat like 1 week and then after 1 week you stop because eating preserved foods like fatty foods, high meat diet, or a lot of sugar. We love that. We love to eat cake. We love to eat, spaghettis, lasagnas, or whatsoever kakanin. Diba? More processed foods in this time. So basically, it's very ineffective. Now, there is also another requirement in this healthy lifestyle, which is, aside from exercise, aside from healthy diet, there is one. Being happy and able to smile. Sige nga. Let me see on your cameras if you are able to smile. I think there are only 2 people that were able to smile in the camera. Did you know that smiling and laughing is the cheapest medicine? But sometimes it really saddens me that sometimes a lot of people may not be able to do it. Why? Because you and me are bombarded with stress every day. Are you stressed? Are you stressed with the rising cost of gasoline and diesel? Yes, maybe, of course. Oh, you may say, oh, I'm not affected. Oh, come on. We are all affected because basically, when all these diesels and oils will rise up, all the food by next month, by the next 2 months, anything that we buy in the supermarkets will also goes up with the cost. Are you agreeing with me? Right? So basically, stress. So even though we are stressed right now, as long as you see my face, try to smile like that. Because you know what? Smiling can affirm all your cells that you are okay and it is okay to repair and regenerate. Okay? So you tell somebody inside your room right now or somebody inside your place where you are staying, you smile more often. Okay? You tell a partner, smile more often. Now, we all know that stem cell therapy is very effective and very good to human consumption. But the question is, no. I would say the challenge is we do not have the capacity and the availability of the stem cell with this being presented of methods to receive stem cell right now. The question would be, is there any convenient, effective, and affordable way of acquiring stem cell therapy right now? With you not leaving Bangkok, you not leaving Cambodia, you not leaving Pagadian City, Butuan City, Agusan, or wherever you are right now on the comfort of your home. That is also affordable. And the answer of that is yes. Same as you, I was also presented with this presentation way back few years ago. And did you know, as a nurse, I am really skeptic. Really skeptic. Because why? When we talk about stem cells, it should be injectables. And I am very, how would I say that one? Hindi po ako basta-bastang naniniwala. I don't really believe very easy. Why? Because a lot of people right now would always try to earn from us or get money from us. But that time, I don't have any money when I was presented. So, I think it makes sense that I really need to listen. And Tita Beth, which is our Team Supreme Pegasus 3, who presented it to me, she said, oh, Lloyd, you need to listen because you're the nurse. You should be the one to, to discuss about this. And I said, yeah, it's true. But the second sentence hit me. And you know what that sentence is? She said, Lloyd, you have to listen because you look great, but I think your pocket has illness also. You have bursitis. So yeah, I tried to listen about the technology, the opportunity. And with this analogy, I would like to share to you, you know, this is very unbelievable to have a stem cell inside a capsule. But try to think of a cell phone. Does anybody have a cell phone right now? Cellular phone? Yes. Yes, you have cellular phones. And most of our audience, maybe you are 30 years old and above, right? Most of you. So let us say you are born in the year 1970s. And I tell you, okay, Ma'am Alvi, Ate Marge, I will video call you when I get to Manila using a cellular phone. And that time is 1970. Would you believe that I can video call you? No, of course. Because why? There is no such technology as cellular phone with a video call and internet that time. But did you know, because of the so-called technology, right now, we are inside Zoom, listening to each other, and I can see you from my cellular phone right now. I can see the beautiful face of Ate Margie and Miss Alvi Musico using this, Zoom. Also, being said, oral capsule modern technology is being already, inside this platform, and is being used to have stem cell therapy. They have used supercritical extraction so that 99% of the biological activity is maintained of the stem cells. Also, this 99% biological activity of the stem cells is being freeze-dried so that the bioactive benefit will be preserved for 3 to 4 years. And did you know, inside the capsule, because this is in encapsulated form, all the oxygen was removed because you know what? Oxygen can cause oxidation. It will make the placenta live cells rancid. So they put nitrogen instead of putting oxygen in there because nitrogen can facilitate freezing and prevention and preservation. Also, since this is oral, it will protect from stomach acid. When you take the capsule, when you take the product, it is designed to be dissolved in the small intestine. Okay? It is designed to dissolve in the small intestine, so that is the so-called enteric coated technology. And also, it has nanobiotech. What is nanobiotech? It means this technology will be able to pass through the smallest vessels, even the blood-brain barrier. And you know what? Emulsification technology allows larger molecules to be absorbed by the bile chylomicron pathway and the biosoft gel itself. So yeah, we have the product. It is Portier. It is derived from a deer placenta, from the velvet of the deer, yung sungay. And also, it has N-ginseng, Axerton, and Ocliclavem. All of these presented are clinically proven patented ingredients. That means, only Reway has the right to use this product. Any product that they would say that they are placenta, any product that they would try to tell you that, oh, our product is also placenta and this is a live cell and this is coming from Alpha Laboratories New Zealand. Oh, I may say to you that maybe those products are counterfeits. Whatever they may say, we are the only licensed distribution of Alpha Laboratories, Auckland, New Zealand. And this clinically proven patented ingredients has its own clinical trials that this is very beneficial to human. In what way? Cervicenta for anti-inflammation and multipotent stem cells has 99%. You know the velvet, it is the pinnacle of regeneration. The N-ginseng, 150 times more powerful than any other ginseng available in the market. It has 20% ginsenoside. And you know what? Proven to have 70% absorbed in the body already. Alright? And also, it has Axertone. This Axertone is an antler-lindsay. Very high potential on antioxidation and improvement of cardiovascular health. And the Ocliclavem, also very high antioxidant from white strawberries. But not just that. We also have brown seaweed, apple extract, tomato extract, aloe vera, borage oil, avocado oil, squalene, evening primrose, and collagen. We have 14 ingredients because Reway is an innovative company. It has a product that is very innovative, the so-called Portier. This unique integrated formulation shall not be, produced in the market if it lacks one ingredient. Why? It won't be that effective as it is right now. So basically, this is unique and integrated formulation for the supplementation of our body to supply more stem cells in our body to prevent our body from getting sick. Therefore, elevating or raising our immune system, recovering from any illness and diseases, detoxification, protection, and the function of stem cell to repair and renew your body. Who would want to have a strength 10 years younger? For sure you want to have that, right? Because I know right now, basically you can really feel that sometimes your knees are maybe aching, your knees are not good condition, or maybe you look like you have a lot of wrinkles already, and you want to have the fountain of youth. And you know what? You don't need a lot of calcium or whatsoever supplements with different pills or different tablets or capsules. You only need one capsule. Only one way to achieve an all-rounded health supplemental needs, and that is Portier. Purter. You can browse the official website, that is www.portier.com, and the other website for the company is www.reway.com. Those are the only two official websites that is connected with Reway. Anything outside with those websites, it's not the property of Reway, and it may be impersonating the product and the company itself. So as you can see, Alpha Laboratories New Zealand, it is being packed and stored in New Zealand with Alpha Lab, 48 Crooks Road, East Tamaki Road, Auckland, New Zealand. Do not store below 30 degrees, do not freeze, and keep away from direct sunlight. Yeah, so that's how we do it. So we have a 6 months therapy program. So why 6 months? Somebody would say, oh, I will just take, maybe I will just try 1 bottle or try 2 bottles. I'm telling you, if you're gonna try 1 bottle or 2 bottles without planning to really finish the 6 months therapy, maybe just don't start at all. Kasi sayang eh. Why? Because this 6 months therapy is being told to us by, or instructed to us by Alpha Lab, because the scientist knows that our body needs time to heal, regenerate, and repair itself. Why? Because red blood cells alone needs 3 months to renew new red blood cells. So yeah, how to take the product? 2 capsules in the morning, 2 capsules in the evening for the first month. Since there are 60 biosoft gels inside the bottle, 1 hour before meals to take. First month, 2 bottles will be consumed. On the second month, up to the 6th month, 1 capsule in the morning, 1 capsule in the evening, still 1 hour before every meal. And from the second month to the 6th month, you will be consuming another 5 bottles. So after the 6 months therapy, should I continue to take? If you have the capability to take and continue it for a lifetime, you can. If you don't, if you wish to stop, you can stop after 6 months. But my advice, you take this one daily as a supplement. Why? Because if you really want to enhance the level of your healthcare, if you really want to have the fountain of youth, you need to supplement yourself with stem cells daily. But do not worry, even though this is a premium product, the company will be presenting to you a system, a platform that will be able, that you will be able to earn Portier Placenta for free. Yes, you heard it right. You can earn Portier for free. Alright? Now, so why is this product inside the market right now? For this very reason. These are the leading causes of death worldwide. I just would like to read you 3: cardiovascular disease, cancer, and respiratory disease. These are very common diseases right now, which, is getting a lot of people's lives. And it is presented in the market right now. It is presented to you by somebody who invited you to this Zoom presentation, so that you or your family member will not be able to join these counts. I mean, if somebody is suffering from cancer right now or cardiovascular disease right now, And then the doctor would say, "Oh, this is you only have 3 to 6 months to live. You don't have hope already. We share this one to you. We present this one to you because there is still hope. You can still live the quality of life if you will be able to renew, regenerate, and repair your own stem cells, your own tissues, your own organs, and your whole system to regenerate it. And if you can do that, if you will be able to take the product, you will really enjoy the benefit of, having the quality of life. So yeah, there are a lot of counterfeit with this product and company impersonation. We do not sell through Facebook, Lazada, Shopee, online malls, or whatsoever. For any counterfeit imitation and inferior product through e-commerce platform, the company bears no responsibility and will not entertain any request for product verification or authentication. We just urge all of you that when you want to acquire this product, you go to the person who invited you and be very mindful that when you get the product, you will be getting the product directly and maybe personally from Riway Counter. I think it is available in Bangkok. It is available in Chiang Mai. It is available in Cambodia. And also, we have 6 offices in the Philippines where you can get the product yourself. Alright? Now, let me show you stories of transformation. I have prepared a little, like, Dr. Leo Olarte. He is diabetic for more than 15 years, 3 times a day yung insulin niya. Due to stress and work overload, he was able to acquire diabetes. But did you know, when he took the product, after a month, he decided to stop insulin and continue with Portier. All laboratory results with the sugar in the body, it was all normal. After 6 months, he declared himself diabetic-free. Josie Tolentino, a janitress whom have tried the product, even though she was not able to, basically financially, she will not be able to buy the product. Why? Because she has a very low salary working as a janitor. But one of the most common characteristic of people is that we will always find a way if ever we are sick already. Right? Josie Tolentino, after taking the product, have decided instead of amputation, have decided to take the product after 6 months. The leg amputation was cancelled, and right now Josie is a living testament and a certified advocate of Portier, that really Portier works. So yeah, so Dr. Olarte was diabetic, this one is diabetic. This one also is a psoriatic arthritis for 3 years, bedridden. Wow. Can you just imagine 3 years? Cannot walk, cannot bathe herself, cannot feed herself. But you know what? After 6 months therapy, this is her picture. That's the picture. She was able to walk again, and the psoriasis was not there already. Okay, this is one of our clients in Dipolog City. She is the brother of one of our associates. Already had few sessions of dialysis already. This is after 2 to 3 months of taking the product. You can see the regenerative transformation. This is Dino. He has a very high blood sugar. High blood pressure, 180/120. And that's how Dino looks on 2021. This is how Dino looks in 2023. And up until now, he's very blooming. He has a very bad leg, a very bad knee, because he has chronic arthritis. When episodes come in, it will take him 2 to 3 months before healing from the inflammation. It's very painful for him. So never did all these medication, synthetic meds that was given to him, was able to control the blood pressure and the inflammation being caused by the arthritis. But did you know, after a few months of taking Portier, not just he looked very blooming, but also, oh yeah, your classmate Dino, but also the BP right now is normal and there is no episode of arthritis pain. Wow, is that amazing? It's a regenerative transformation, as I say. Alright. Now, this is one of our associates, the classmate of Dino way back in college. She's a teacher. Yeah, an adept ed teacher in Barcelona, Dapitan City. She has a throat cancer. She went to Cebu for a checkup, supposedly a checkup. But then when she went there, she had the doctor advice for biopsy. And then after biopsy, the result came out and it was metastasizing cancer, stage 3 to 4 something. And then she was operated to remove all those tumors, they say. And then after removing the tumor, she was hospitalized in the ICU for 2 long months. And did you know, during the hospitalization, the family spent almost 3 million pesos. So one of our events here in Dipolog, she came into one of our events and then she kept on putting the tube on the neck, that is the tracheostomy tube. That is where she is breathing. So she really wanted to leave. And then she went to one of our presentations and then she listened. She understood, put it in her heart, digested it in her brain, and decided to take Portier. After a few months of taking, you can see the last picture, there she is. And right now, she is enjoying the life. After chemo, after radiation, after surgery, still with cancer, but right now she is cancer-free. Alright? Okay, so there she is, together, a picture together with Faith Ann. I think this is a photo in Starbucks, Manila, when we had attended one of the meetings there. Alright, this is also Michael Forzuelo from Butuan, one of our associates. He had hemorrhagic stroke. And this is him right now. Would you believe that this person started taking Portier through NJT, the tube being put in the nose during his ICU days? And right now, he is able to drive again. Yeah. And these are just, a lot of testimony. These two old gals, old man, you can see in both pictures, are my neighbor and one of my clients whom they have prostate problems. Their PSA is 40 plus. And did you know, after taking Portier, the PSA went down to 12 to 15. If you understood what is PSA, that is the cancer marker test of the prostate gland. And amazingly, both of these individuals, Tatay Miroy and Mr. Makiling, are still alive and kicking. Alright, one of our client in Pagadian City. These are personal client of ours. Psoriasis, have spent millions of pesos already to, who wouldn't want to relieve the pain, relieve the itchiness? We all wanted to do that. But when there is no cure because it's an autoimmune disease, we pray. That's the last resort. And then this lady, Maminda, met Jeffrey, and Jeffrey was able to present Portier to her, and then she started taking Portier, and this is her skin after taking Portier. Is it amazing? Can you comment your reaction if it's amazing for you or not? Yeah, this is Alice Arbon, stage 4 cervical cancer. After 6 months of taking the product, I just would like to move forward very fast. After 6 months of taking the product, December 13, 2022, no evidence of disease. And this is the medical certificate that is coming from Perpetual Socorro Hospital, Cebu City, from one of the doctors. Alright, and this is her right now. Yeah, Andre, very common. 1 month to live.
What a beautiful name it is.
But after taking Portier, this is him right now. Is it amazing? Yes, press 1 if you think this is amazing. This is one of my clients because this is just my journey. A lot of clients I have, they are from the ICU. They are very sick people. When I started, this is Nanay Minda, and she's been bedridden for 2 years already. Cannot walk. She has a healthcare provider 24 hours with her. But did you know, after 2 to 3 months of taking the product, she can walk again at the age of 85. This is her right now. Isn't it amazing? Isn't she transformed? Yes or no? Yeah, this is my father, my papa. He had almost 400 sugar before and after. Okay, this photo, I was able to bring them with my mother going to Bangkok, Thailand for the recognition night and a vacation. a very amazing regenerative transformation. This is also my mother. They both are taking Portier. If not with Portier, I may not see them. Maybe they are dead already. But with the help of Portier, they are still alive and kicking with the grace and glory of God. All right. So yeah, this this Portier will not be accessed by me if not with one person whom I really admired, and I think she is inside the room right now. She is Elizabeth Montero. I would like to show you who she is, and with this little video, and I will tell you how I came to Riway with her. All right.
Her never say die spirit allows her to break through her limits time and again. Her care and concern for the people around her has benefited them endlessly. With a positive outlook and proactive improvement, she is still Elite Pegasus Elizabeth Montero.
So yeah, my mentor is Elizabeth Montero, and I think she is in the room right now listening. I am not with Riway right now if not with her. Okay, so when I was invited by Tita Beth, I am really skeptic with the product, with the opportunity, but I thought to myself that I really need to take this chance. I really need to take this opportunity. Why? Maybe not me. Maybe a lot of people whom I will meet along the way will be blessed with this product. She is listening to me, so I should be very careful. Wow. So yeah, that time she told me, "Oh, Lloyd, uh, I was wearing long sleeve that time, a very colorful long sleeve, and I was bringing my coffee, my coffee products, because I was thinking that, oh, this woman really, maybe will buy a lot of my products. But I was presented, and then, I said, oh, the product is very, for me, is very expensive. The compensation plan and the system is very great, very amazing. I really would want to be part of the system, but I do not have the capability and the capacity and the resources to be inside the system. And then she answered, that's the reason why I invited you, because you don't have the capacity, you don't have the resources, you don't have anything. So basically that's why I invited you. So yeah, it's very ironic, right, that she would invite me to be part of the system of Riway. And yeah, I am here right now talking in front of you, with the 35 people inside the meeting room right now, and I am very grateful for this person, very amazing woman who really helped, honed me, who really trained me, who really coached me to be who I am today. I will not be like this if not with her inside Riwi platform. So very grateful, very thankful to her. And you know what? Her story really resonates, not just in the Philippines, but also all around the world right now. I have been talking to a lot of people in Ukraine, to the US, to Russia, to the United States, in Canada also. I have been doing a lot of Zooms, and I have been sharing her story to a lot of people. And not just me. It's not just me. Even though the leaders inside the meeting room right now keeps on doing that, keeps on sharing that, because her story is really very moving. As you can see in the video, her never say die spirit. Her never say die spirit. Those people who are in Bangkok right now, if you are in Bangkok, if you are in Cambodia, really, you are with the right person, because she is there building with you. How I wish I can be there right now to really work with her, really. But things are also having their own reasons why we are here and they are there. But I am really glad that she says yes to my invitation, to really participate and commence this event with us. So maybe Tita Beth can share something very valuable to us this evening. Let us all welcome our Team Supreme Pegasus 3, Elizabeth Montero. Tita Beth. Oh, I think she's still preparing. Yeah. So very amazing, no? Tita. Yes, thank you, Tita, for joining us.
Ay, grabe. Kopiamos lang, no? But anyway, thank you so much, Lloyd. No, actually, I invited the Team Emmanuel in Mindanao, Bangkok, and Cambodia. Because indeed, no, I'm very blessed to have you. Noon, you're one among the parang napaka-stubborn talaga na mga anak ko. But later I realized that perseverance, no? It's just I only waited until the time that you become complete and not lacking of anything, and here you are today. I am no longer, I'm resigning now to be your coach, to be your mentor, to be your teacher, but a student of yours. No? Ang ganda, ang ganda. I really admire what you are doing. So the people inside the meeting room, I would like to say thank you for your time. And this is just the beginning of our journey with Team Lloyd Partosa. I really believe that there is this perfect time for you, Lloyd, that you will be rewarded. Just continue on what you are doing and love what you are doing. Persevere. As I said, no, patuloy ka lang talaga. One day soon, ako na ang manonood sa'yo. Okay? Ako na ang manonood sa'yo. And deep inside my heart, I know something big will happen to you within the year. Within the year. Hoping also na makabisita ka sa ako adri sa Cambodia and even Bangkok. Because right now, Cambodia is our hub. This is our starting coefficient. Dito kami nagsisimula. The whole of Southeast Asia, that's Cambodia, Bangkok, and Chiang Mai, west, of course, Vietnam, going up to Spain in a matter of time. So, continue to spread the good news to the people inside the meeting room. Your health matters. Health is very important to achieve our dreams and our goals in life. Most important tool is our health. Today, this body is our number one frontliner. As we face challenges and trials today, help your body. Tulungan mo siya magiging malakas araw-araw. Eventually, problems will come and go, provided we have this body. Malakas talaga. And I am very much grateful talaga to God for providing me fourth year. Since 2016 up to today, I am consuming, you see, nasa lamesa ko lang talaga ito. I am consuming, no? Nagbaba ako ngayon sa fourth year 7. I am taking 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, and 2 in the evening. But since 2016 up to fourth year 6, I was using actually 5 in the morning, 5 in the lunch, and 5 in the evening. Why reduce? Because fourth year 7 is so powerful and the 6 capsules is really enough for me. By May, ngayong Mayo 26, I will be celebrating my 68th birthday. And one thing na I am truly grateful of, I have no single maintenance. I lack a lot of sleep here in Cambodia kasi naninibago ako. Opening an international market is not easy, okay? Wala akong alam sa salitang kami, wala akong alam sa buong terrain, but to God be the glory. I am well and functioning well. So, thank you, thank you. Make this as your partner daily, as I'm doing this as well. Life is short. Maiksi masyado. sobrang exit. But if you do it right, no? If we do it right, once is more than enough to leave a legacy worth to be remembered, worth to be passed on. God bless everyone. Gipakuratan gyud ko nimo, no? God bless. Thank you. Bye. Good night. Good night.
So, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Tita. And yeah, that was Tita Beth from, I think she's in Cambodia. She is working with the people in Cambodia. And for the take to wrap up everything that I have been presenting to you, you know what? Everything we talk right now or we talk about today comes down to one thing and one thing only. It's all about our timing. Why timing? Because you know what? Health doesn't wait. Opportunities doesn't wait. And people who really benefit the most from Portier and the most from Reway are not the ones who wait and see. They are the ones who decide and act. So the real question right now is, you know what? Will you look back today as a moment you started something life-changing or as something you let pass? So, let us not delay what you can improve in your life starting now. Do not wait for the perfect time because you know the perfect time will never come. You know, you do not have to decide everything today, but you have to decide whether your health is worth taking seriously, whether taking Portier is worth taking seriously. So, if what you have heard today made sense to you, please do not ignore that feeling. If something in the presentation, you know, have touched your heart, have make sense because you have felt something, do not ignore that feeling. Start small, ask questions, and take that first step because the sooner you begin, the sooner you can experience the difference with Portier. Alright? So, I hope that we wrap up that one and thank you so much for listening. For the people whom I invited from Pagadian and from under team Ate Marjorie, and I think that with Jesse Lloyd Villanueva inside the room, you may stay so that we can have a post meeting and you can ask questions. Thank you so much everyone for coming and joining. Thank you Ma'am Alvi, Ma'am Gina, and everybody inside the meeting room. Ate Marge, pa-stay muna sila. Thank you po.
Yes, Sir Lloyd, na-advise ko na si Ma'am
Napa si Ma'am Regina. Oo. So, anybody, Ma'am Regina, whom we may know joining with you? Kasi dili man ako ma-determine kung kinsa kayo since nga I was really, I was really shocked na nalaghan sila kayo nanonood ganiya. Pero it's okay because I really wanted to also share this ability and talent, that more people will really learn and know about this opportunity and product. So, kinsa man kaayo kauban nato, Ma'am Regina?
Si Wilma Hanipin, sir.
Wilma. Okay, Ma'am Wilma Hanipin. Okay, and then?
Saka yung at kanang sister niya, pero dili ko kaila sa ani.
Sige lang, okay lang. You can, Ma'am Wilma and the people who were invited with Ma'am Wilma and Ma'am Regina Sator, who is coming from our Department of Agrarian Reform in Pagadian City, you can open your mic, you can open your camera if you like, and then you can ask questions. Please do ask questions para at least we can enlighten up.
I was trying to invite Joanne, pero siguro di pa niya nakausap yung prospect niya.
Somebody from Dubai have joined earlier. Abu Dhabi.
Dubai, Abu Dhabi. Who is Jessie? Kasi may Jessie ako na friend sa Abu Dhabi eh.
Oo, somebody inside kanina when I opened the Zoom joined from Abu Dhabi.
Oo, akala ko ikaw ang nag-invite nun.
Hindi. I did not invite
Hindi.
anybody from Abu
Kasi
Dhabi.
kung si Jessie yun, the Jessie that I know, diabetic kasi ang wife nun eh.
But he exited the meeting right
Nurse,
after.
kasi si Jessie, nurse din yun sa ano,
Mm,
kung siya yun na. Pero kasi ako, mag-random lang ako sa kanya mag-send
Mag-send.
ng
Mm.
link.
Yeah.
So, hindi ko alam kung siya nga talaga yun.
Oo.
Gusto ko sana magtanong sa'yo kanina, pero sabi ko, sige, ano din yun. Magpapakita din ng camera, umalis naman.
Ma'am Araceli, are you there? Hindi tayo nagkikita. Parang ang tagal na natin hindi nagkita
Yes, Sir Lloyd.
Na, present yun din si Ma'am Araceli. Were you able to rest?
Mayong gabi, Ma'am Araceli.
Yeah, yes, Mama.
Grabe.
Magandang gabi.
Grabe yung travel namin ni Ma'am Araceli. Natutulog yan doon sa car. Dumating kami ng Bacolod 4 a.m.
Sa among travel, si Rans ang tulog ng tulog.
Tulog ng tulog. Oh. Si Ma'am Cherel ba? Kani ba si Ma'am Cherel is from Pagadian? Kindly confirm. Murag dili.
Orang dili
Wala ni
siguro.
tingog. Oo. Pero okay lang. Daghan man ni sila
Sir Lloyd, maulaw man ni akong kuan.
Sige lang, ayaw lang kaulaw. Okay lang po na. O panalitan ko ang dili sila maka-ask. It's okay. Hi, Ma'am Araceli, roommate in Hop-In. Wow. 3D course, classmate sila. So, ayun po. I hope that you have really listened. Kasi basically, we have really shown you the science. Kasi, di ba?
Ayun pa si Ma'am Wilma, kung Ma'am Wilma, you will ask pa ng kung gusto, sa bagay, marami din kasi nasa
It's okay.
Akala ko kasi tulad ng
Oo.
Ah,
I was also thinking na intimate, pero it's okay.
Oo. Opo da kung giingon ni ni Joanne, nadaghan man.
Mm. Kasi maglisod man ko ipang remove na ko sila unya. Dili day sila part day sila sa inyong invite. Dili na ra ba na makasulod once akong i-remove.
Okay lang.
Oo.
At least nandun pa din.
Lagi.
Interested pa din sila.
Okay. So, daghan day kang gi-invite, Ma'am Regina?
Actually, sir, kuan, 4, pero wala naka-join ang isa kay katong nabitaw siya iba na nga na aneurysm. Then wala siya naka-join kay nang lakaw sa siyang anak. Tapos yung isa nga naisakit sa tuhod, wala man naka-online, pero ingon siya yes, pero wala siya ka-online karon.
Sige lang. We can always reschedule. Like say for example, kung ano sila, kung available sila like tomorrow night or basta ing na lang mi. Oo, tama gud si tita Sharing the Zoom is caring. Sakto jud kaayo. Sharing is caring
Actually,
for
na ani sister si Ma'am Welma, teacher, then gusto pod mo inom anang 4th year, pero wala man siya karon. Dili na ko nakita.
Sige lang.
Wala siya.
If ever you will start already, with 4th year kay I think you are planning, ma'am, 'di ba? Ma'am Margina.
Gusto ko tomorrow, Ma'am Marge.
Ing nako so that I can help kasi the product will be coming from me. So please inform me para tagaan na to og maplano na to og tarong kay para ma-serve na to ang product.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Lang, let's just help each other. Anya, kabalo ka, Ma'am Regina. I'm really very thankful and grateful for you nga nagsugod na kakaron og sharing. And if ever pag yun, because you are an HR, so daghan jud kay kag mga kaila nga tawo.
Yes.
No?
Daghang marites.
Marites
Daghang
lang.
chikahon.
Oo.
Basta
So,
good marites naman.
yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
oo.
For good naman.
Oo.
Para we will
Okay lang.
experience healing yun. Oo. So, we just keep on sharing, we just keep on moving, we just keep on, you know, giving people hope. Kaya basically, ganiha, kabalo ka, we already have shown you sa mga tao bitaw, no, for the people who are listening, still inside Zoom, we have already shown you the science. We have shown you the stories and the opportunity. You know, it's your time now to move. Don't let hesitation cost you time, cost you health, or cost you potential income. Because the people who really win in this space are the ones who act early. Winning meaning dili lang potential income or potential unsa ba ka, but potential health nga ma-regain nimo ba ang time. So if you are ready, let's get you started today. So excited ko kung you will start tomorrow, Ma'am Regina. We will be i-finalize lang ko kay para I can have time to travel to Pagadian kay layo gid ang Pagadian. And yeah,
Ay time sa sir, mula dili pa tomorrow kay naap pa ko'y seminar din sa Tuesday malarga kog Sambuanga, maybe Wednesday.
okay, Wednesday. Wednesday po. I-final lang na to.
Yes, sir.
Ha? Sige. To Ma'am Regina, thank you so much for joining, praying for your success in Pagadian City. It might be you. Chosen called by God to reach out, save more lives. Hope to see you. That's Tita Beth. That's Tita Beth comment niya. Grabe, 'di ba? And now you are already recognized by our Team Supreme Pegasus 3 because she is still listening with our Zoom. Wow, 'di ba? Oo. And we are very excited for that.
Kaya nga very excited kami.
Sayang lang yung taga Abu Dhabi kanina, no? I hope that he
Kung
can
alam
go
ko lang
next time.
kasi hindi ko alam kung sino ang nag-invite sa kanya.
Pero you know what? We can always have Zoom anytime. Bakit? This Zoom of mine can actually accommodate like about 50 or 100 people in one seating. And you know, anytime if ever needed nga, not all the time kasi na ako diha.
Dugay na daw siya wala kabalik og Pagadian.
Oo. So we can do presentations. Basta ingna lang ko. Maski pag naa kag Zamboanga, maski pag mao naa kag Manila. Oo. We can help you present. Ug dunay mga na may like inani lang bitaw mga after the presentation, question and answer na lang bitaw. Actually, I am looking for a certain person nga I was chatting with Jesse Lloyd Villanueva right before this presentation that somebody will join kasi ang question daw niya paano daw na preserve ang stem cell. Hope he was able to he was able to be inside Zoom so that he will
narinig niya yun, no?
Yeah, he will understand. He is a physical therapist. Yeah, tita, you can share po. Yes, please. I-unmute po kita. You can start your video also.
To Miss Regina.
Yes po.
Daghan pa bag tao?
Gamay na lang kayo, tita.
13. Okay.
12 na lang, 12.
Mas maganda, no? Kita-kita na lang. To
Oo.
you, Miss Regina. Alam mo ba nga 2017 I started to kanang share fourth year in your area. Ako igagaw diha sa Tuloy si Inday o si
San Miguel.
ha?
San Miguel.
Sagon.
Oh, Sagon.
She is actually a cancer patient. Oo. So that was very intentional nga ning adto gyud ko dito, no, and then I shared kanang fourth year. And today nahimo gina siya karon nga monumento kanang story ni Inday Montero, formerly a COMELEC, no, officer na siya from Sagon to I think pila ka munisipyo iyang giadtuan, diba? Ang iyang story talaga is just like a monumento that she eventually touches a lot of lives as well. Pero ang kulang lang yun kinuod, no? What is lacking is that kanang somebody must rise up, not just to share. Dili lang para mag-share, but to teach people how to consume portier lifetime.
Yeah.
Nga dili na ta kailangang magpalit-palit. Do not stop on sharing, ma'am. Actually, today, if you are the HR ng agriculture, no? You're
Agrarian
actually,
reform.
huh?
Dar,
Agrarian
dar.
reform.
Okay. You're actually seated, no? In a mountain of gold. Why? Kasi today, sa mismo lang na pagadian, mismong pagadian, ang supply sa mga haiblaron diha, ma'am, anli. Daghang haiblaron, daghang kanseron, diabetikon, daghan kay unlimited po talaga. Kaya your job today, ikaw karon imong job, I want to transfer this, passion in my heart. Na when I started, I'm not counting no money. I was counting on how many people were able to recover. No,
Yes,
recover and gain back their health,
tabangan.
gain back their, hope and restore their dreams once again. Kasi ito, importante eh. So as reach out more people, ayaw gyud ka ulaw. Ayaw gyud ka ulaw. Kasi this job actually is a ministerial job. Dili ni siya negosyo-negosyo. This is actually a ministerial job. While along the way, you will encounter a lot of rejections. Natural ra kay na. But keep on growing, improving, developing yourself, and become the newest version of yourself. Kanang imuhang physical ba? Makita nila, imong kaabtik this time. No? Kasi ako, ang ilang matanaw sa ako, wearing 4 inches high heels at my age, parang wow. No? Kay tagsaray tiguang nga maka-high heels o ginana niya, makadagandagan pag yun ko. Diba? So, today, I will pray for you. For how many years nang nagpabalik-balik ko diha? People wants to succeed. A lot of pagadianon wants to take the portier for free. Pero wala gyud. Nobody wants to go through. Mag-aral tayo sa proseso. Paano magkakalibre tayo ng portier? No one. Wala po. Their eyes are actually blinded. Oh, ilang tainga may takip. Okay? God opened doors in Pagadian, but nobody answered. Today, ma'am, I hereby anoint you to be the next Elizabeth Montero in Pagadian. Serve without return. Sige lang, share lang, ma'am. Share. And if you, every time na maamoy ka ng Zoom, the next time I will prepare. Gahigda-higda ba ako sa couch? Gahigda-higda ako couch, hikang ko gasimba. And then I did not expect that Lloyd will call me. But today, ma'am, I am so happy and welcome. Welcome to our team, Jubilee Diamond Team. And I will ask Lloyd for your messenger. Kay you will become part of my prayer. Dili mamatay akong gisugdan diha, Lloyd.
Yes.
God's promise to me, somebody will rise up and will follow my footsteps. Somebody will start to open their mouth and share the goodness of the product. I know somebody. And it might be you, Ma'am Regina. So once again, welcome to the team. Anything I can do, ingna lang ko, Lloyd. I am willing to serve. See you soon. Pagkagikan na kog Europe siguro. Kasi murag ang akong kontrata diri 6 months. Pero going Europe naman hinuong ko. So, to the people under Lloyd Baitoza, you have the best upline. You have the most, kanang very much hardworking upline. That's Lloyd. He's no longer stubborn. Today, iba na si Lloyd. Iba na talaga si Lloyd. And I really appreciate, no? Congratulations, Lloyd, and your team. Congrats. All of you are one giant step away from your dreams and your goals. God promise will never change. Just do it. Just do it. God bless. God bless.
God bless
God
po,
bless you
ma'am.
again.
Thank you,
Thank you,
tita.
ma'am.
Thank you din sa inyong lahat. Okay.
Sige po. 'Di ba?
Oh, diba?
Una, ito nga iagaw, kabalo ka ito nga iagaw. Cancer ba gito? Unya, ang kidney adto, nawa na ni function.
Ah, o katungkuan, no?
Oh,
Katungkuan
si Ma'am
guys.
Inday. Si Ma'am
Oo.
Inday nga Montero.
Oo,
Naa nagpuyo sa sagon.
oo. Na-meet ko na yun siya, Ma'am Regina.
Oh,
Because of radiation therapy. Radiation, no? Namatay yung kidney niya.
patay ang kidney niya.
Laka.
But right now, it is functioning very well. So basically, ang target na to, ma'am, is not just to use Portier one time. To use Portier continuously. But for us to be able to use Portier continuously and have Portier for free, we do the system. We do the sharing unlimited. Baga, murabag unsa tay ang term pa ni Tita Beth ana. Murabag kag have no mercy on sharing Portier. Because you know, somebody out there may be waiting already for a miracle. Masig kana pang imong pag-share may mahimong miracle or mahimong answer sa iyang prayer.
Si Ma'am Regina, nagsawa na siguro yun sa kakulit ko, no?
Actually, Ma'am Marge, salamat jud kaayo kay nagkumusta ka sa ako aden timing pod nga going me nga magpalab sa akong anak.
Amazing,
Kaya,
amazing,
oto.
amazing.
Timing jud siya. Nga sige man gud kag kuan message sa ako aden. I-ignore na ako kay busy jud kaayo ko dayon tanaw na nako sa mo reply ko sa dili. Pero kato siya nga timing gyud nga nanginahanglan ko.
Bisan gani katong akong cousin, katong si Joanne Gabii.
Mm-mm.
Ako pa ngayon ang sinisisi, bakit ko daw hindi siya sinabihan? Kasi sabi ko, alam mo ba Joanne, 3 years ago na akong nanliligaw sa mama mo. Kaya to the point na kahit ini-ignore ako, isin or hindi isin, basta forward pa din ng forward pa din ng link. Nagkataon na nangailangan siya ng service ng aking husband. Pumunta siya ng pagadian. Wala siyang magawa. Captive audience ko siya. Nung captive audience ko siya. Tapos, at the end of the day, ako pa rin ang sinisisi. Bakit ko hindi sinare? Samantalang pag sinabi kong dadaan ako dyan sa Iligan, mangumusta lang ako sa inyo, wala, busy ni G. I-reject kanila, pero aywan, di lang talaga ako nag-give up sa kanila.
Tuloy-tuloy lang yun. Eventually, somebody will listen. And it will just
Okay.
start with one person. Isang tao lang. If
Umabot
somebody...
na ako sa punto na ang aking prayer ay, Lord, hindi na nga siguro talaga ako hindi na talaga ako makakuha pa ng believe sa ako Kay yung mga especially nung si Bernadette pumasok na ng trabaho. Si Annalisa pumasok na ng trabaho. So hindi ko na sila may-utilize. Basta, 'di ba?
Gituyo to ni Lord para ikaw ang mag-utilize sa'yo.
Ganun pala yun.
Oo.
God has his own plan,
His
'di
own
ba?
ways. Oh, his own ways.
Kaya, yun
Actually, Sir
siguro.
Lloyd, yung kanang isa nako kakauban sa office,
Mm-mm.
nag-share nako kaning portier din ingon siya nga mahal daw 600,000 nag-research na siya. Ingon ko dili man ingon na ka mahal nga 600,000. Mao
Oy.
ni ingon siya nga sige mo join ko niya dayon. Wala siya karon baka next time.
It's okay. Kung wala siya karon and then maset nimo siya accordingly kung doon na mo'y maset nga time kung kano sa siya bakante, I will try to adjust my schedule. Pwede ra ta mag-istorya bisag dili taas kaayo, bisag dili na ta mag full presentation. At least makater lang nato iyang questions.
Ay, kato din Mama Gina yung si attorney.
Oo,
Parang,
mao na akong giingon si attorney na
mm,
ipakit iyang tuhod din actually nagplano nami nga moadtog Cebu by May banan daw nako
ah,
siya para magpa-opera din ko nga unya na magkuha sa tag Maxicare kay ako kayo bayad ng paopera. Then, wala. Actually, ako ang pod good ang coordinator sa MaxiCare.
Oh.
Sa HR, ang basta yung karing anang HMO, ang HR magod ilang kontakon kay naamang ko tanan list sa employees. So tanan nga data sa employees ako to ang mag-provide.
Labing
Mm.
kuyawa.
So niingon siya nga
HR eh.
magkuan na ta, mag-enroll na mi sa MaxiCare niya. Nagkuan man gud mi karon apply mig ISO o kanang ISO o Prime HRM sa among office mo to busy kay ko mularsi ko larga ing kulat lang. Dayon ing ko ma'am dili na ta pa opera kay mag-stem cell na lang ta. Siya mahal kay nang stem cell 600,000 nag-research na ko anak ko dili ing nana ka mahal. Maminaw lang gyud ka attorney siya. Oo, niya na ni ana.
Pero office mate mo?
Opo.
Oh, nakoy idea.
Internship siya namo sa legal.
Attorney siya ng DAR.
Nakoy suggestion.
Mm.
Di ba mo palit og one set si Ma'am Regina?
Mm.
Yes, sir.
Let us deliver to the office para ma-met nako ng attorney.
Pwede. Ah.
Di ba? Di ba?
Napajud ko isa nga
Oh.
gusto na ko isa pag invite pa na ko siya karon pero nag-message siya nga naglakaw daw siya sa iyang anak kay katulaging operahan sa aneurysm niya. 1 year na din wala pa may alibyo.
Oo.
Sige ko follow up kumusta imong banay siya. Kuan yang anak ka ng med pharmacist dayon dili kaayo ko maka explain sa iya ba ingon ani so nagtuo lang tingali siya sa ako na mani-mani lang so it's not like that gusto ko
Yeah.
mo help sa imuhang
Yeah.
bana kay kuan man to siya darpod dayon
Oo.
nag-retire na lang because adto na operahan lagi.
Sige. Ana na lang. Let's do one step at a time. Kung inig-deliver na mo sa imo sa one set, dunay mga naaraman within the same office man mo. If we can gather like 5 minutes to 10 minutes, we can talk to them very briefly. Para dili po ta makadisturb sa inyong, dili man, siyempre dili po ko gustong mang-disturbo sa inyong oras. Kaya naman nasulod sa government office. Pero we can schedule them to a follow-up event right after kung doon na sila time ana paghahapon. At least naka-initial na ko nila. And at least naka-third person approach na kanila. Kasi most of the people will never, they won't believe you kung ikaw directly ang mo istorya nila, labi nag-close kaayo mo an kaila mo. Diba? So, yeah. Let's try. Let's try on Wednesday, okay?
Kasi
Message
alis
ra
na siya
ko.
bukas.
Research.
Sige.
May seminar siya.
Oh, message ra ko kay dagan kay kog schedule pag uli na ko culmination na pod sa God. Dayon diing ani chair daghag rule.
Sige lang. Iampo lang nato sa Ginoo nga kung iyahang kabubuton, His will be done. Kung kabubuton niya nga makaistorya ta ini mga tawhana, His will be done. If dili sad niya kabubuton nga dili pa na mao ang time, His will be done gyapon.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So, unsa man, okay na ba ta?
Wilma, one day talaga nag-unmute. Hindi talaga, umalis na siya.
Namati man si Ma'am Wilma, naman siya.
Naminaw ra gyud na siya, sir, kay interesado kay siya but
Oo.
wala pa siya mani karon.
Kabalo ka?
按计数念版
Kato si Tita Beth, when she started, I don't know if nakadungog ka sa iyang story sa diha. When she started, wala ba gid pud toy kwarta man nagpagsugod niya. Pero para man god namo, no, we believe that ang ato yung capital is not money. It's the will. Kasi if willing ka, everything will follow ra gyud. Mo follow ra gyud na siya. Mao na nga moabot ra gyud ang panahon nga kuan.
Comment na siya, sir. Oh, I'm listening.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Ma'am Wilma. I hope to meet you personally or kung di man galing personal, magka-istorya pud tapuhon or karon baka kung dili karon it's okay, nakasabot rami. Pero we hope to really talk to you in the near future and we are really excited to really share this product and opportunity to a lot of people. Kay sa kadaghang tao karon nga nanginahanglan ani nga produkto, ani nga opportunity. Dili man gud tanan makaabot ang information sa ilaa. So help us spread. If you can refer to us people mga gipangbati sa lawas, please refer them to us.
Stars.
Eh,
Actually, Ma'am Wilma, pahuman naman ta. Katurang presentation yun ganiha. Maura gito siya pinaka.
Oh, wala kay mga pangutana, Ma'am Wilma.
Di, ang atong i-revise
Gawin.
na to ang question. Ayun mo wala kay mga pangutana mamili mo, mo yung bisag wala na lang yun. I-revise na to. Naa kay mga pangutana mamili mo. Naa siya yung heart block nga vein. It's okay. Dili lang si Ma'am Wilma ang nainana nga case dire. Labi-labi ng daghan na gyud nga kanang nang uban gani na ay bypass, no? Na ay mga naka-angiogram, na ay mga nakabutang na og katong stent. And na ay pa katong mga wala pa. But did you know nga ang angiogram would cost you a minimum of 450,000, pinakabarato na gyud siguro kayo na. And at about additional kung dunay mga additional nga stent kabalo ka mudagan gina siya mga 1.5 million to 2 million. Nakadepende sa kahit sa ako nahibawa na ti Marge ang kanang stent kana bitaw murag mo expand sa ugat. Tag 250,000 man din na.
Oh, mao ba?
Oh, kabalo ba ka? Tig-transport man kog pasyente gikan diri sa Norte Med, sa Zamboanga del Norte Medical Center, gina-transport na ko, ginasakyan ako ng ambulance going to Polymedic sa Cagayan. Naka-transport ko ana Ate Marge. Pagkahibalo na ko sa presyo Ate Marge, nawindang ko sa presyo.
Oh, siguro mahal gyud kay akong
Mahal.
sister-in-law ganun ang ginawa talagang heart bypass yun.
Bypass.
Oo,
Pero
bypass
pero kabalo ka? They decided and start to learn. Okay. Pero kabalo ka? No? Per block vein or kanang pag naay naka-block nga vein, butangan di per stent ang ilahang payment ma'am. But pasabot sa stent katunang para mo expand, para mo extend ana sa kuan. Pero kabalo ka? Kanang block nga vein, sus kaya ra gina. Try Portier and experience its miraculous ability. Kaya nga naman, nakakuan ko nga nakay kidney problem, nakay kidney stone. You know what? If you go to the doctor, lahi ang problema sa kidney stone, lahi ang problema sa heart block.
Oo.
Diba? But with Portier, usa lang imong giinom, pero ma-appeal na siya tanan. Kasi systemic ang Portier musulod bugod siya sa blood. Mo go through the circulation from head to toe, balik-balik, head to toe.
Ay man.
So it will really help you. So why not try Portier, and then when you try Portier, inom ka, banat kag inom. And then you wait for maybe a month or two, and then balik sa imong doktor. Pagpa-check og balik. So that i-test ang water ba. Kay puslanan man ug mudritso ka dito, mugasto gyud kag milyon diretso.
Parehas sa tong na-encounter na ko nga ganun din yung barado yung yung black din yung vein sa heart. Katubang tigulang sa Banali itong former kapitan ng Banali na kung hindi lang nila talagang pinilit na paoperahan. Nag-shrink sana gid talaga itong kuan.
Due to age.
Oo.
Very
Pero
high.
hindi, ang nag-fourth year, nakadalawang battle siya ng fourth year eh. Sinabi ng asawa, nag-shrink daw talaga yung
Blockage.
So, galing lang kay kanilaging sales talk po sa doctor from St. Luke's Medical.
Mahal ba dito?
Kailangan operahan. Kabaong tuloy umuwi.
Sige lang. Ako, mutuo ba ka nga, I have someone here in Dipolog nga comatose na. Comatose na, heart problem. Hypertensive pag yun, stroke pag yun. Pero, gipaagi na namo sa ilong, sa NJT. Kabalo ka after a week, nabakod ba ang pasyente? After another week, na-discharge ang pasyente. Inana ka, amazing. And I cannot explain the science kung, how really will work in each and every one of us. But I know for sure one thing, Portier will work.
Kaya si Kuya James mo, Lloyd. Kuan ba yan na? Kanang nabiya siya myocardial.
Infarction.
Infarction. Tapos, di sa nag-Portier ba siya? Yun ang isa sa unang medication na tinanggal sa kanya.
O, see?
Mm.
Kasi stem cell eh. Stem cell is different.
Nung
Kani
sa
anak,
UAE sa UAE pa kami, talagang regular yung check-up niya dun sa ano niya, para pag-exercise para
stress test.
stress test niya.
Mm.
Tapos parang dito na lang kasi nung umuwi na kami doon sa Pilipinas, ito puro na lang, medicine na lang, medicine. Okay. Diabetic man. Kasama sa ano. But then, itong mag-stem cell siya, yun ang mga isa sa pinakaunang tinanggal sa iya nga medicine ng
Grabe, no?
doktor.
Grabe, no? So, yeah. Do not wait, Ma'am Wilma, for, do not wait. Take action. It will really help you.
Yes, Ma'am Wilma. Kasi yun nga yung isa sa, yung si Sir Casinas sa Banali. At, ano talaga yun, in 2 bottles, 2 in the morning, 2 in the evening. So, wala pang 1 month yun eh. Kasi parang massive dose niya yun kasi before siya magpunta ng Manila. Massive dose niya ang ang 4th year niya. Kasi wala na siyang overdose. Nag-shrink talaga yung kaya lang minsan magkakaibang opinion ng mga kaanak eh. Kaya ayun. Nag-wait pa ko sa money.
Kani akong anak, akong painom.
Hello.
Hi, sir.
Nay ni sulod, honey farmorcan.
Okay.
Ay.
Kisa man to? Dara oh. Wala de. Ay, na ako nakita, tanawa ha. Ako i-share. Kaniga, open heart surgery ni.
The first bypass was, the recovery is really hard for her. That morphines, pain reliever, overdosage of those medications, because every time he coughed, because this pillow is given to them because once you have a bypass, they will change your ribs so they can see the heart. Now every time she coughs, it really hurts that he doesn't want to cough, she doesn't want to cough anymore. That's why pain relievers, tramadol is being injected to her. And we stayed there for about a month after the ICU. Now, after 12 years, because may tita matigas ang ulo, kumakain pa rin ng mga lechon, now, she needs again a triple bypass, but now it is an open heart bypass. Because one of the bulb is not working anymore. It's not pumping blood, so that's why she needs an open heart. But the difference is that right after the surgery is actually 12 hours. 12-hour surgery. Right after the surgery, right after she came up from ICU, I asked her, Ate Ann and me asked her to take Porcheer. Take at least just 1 bottle for the meantime. Then after 2 weeks, the doctor already nirelease na siya, pwede na siyang umuwi. But the doctor told me na hindi pa siya pwede pumunta sa simbahan kasi isa siyang member sa simbahan. Hindi siya pwedeng lumabas muna ng bahay kasi masyadong mababa ang immune system niya kasi ka-opera pa lang niya and it's an open heart bypass. But after taking this one, every morning I clean her wound. Ang napapansin ko, every day, ang ganda ng healing ng wound niya compare on the first one. It healed actually a couple of weeks, parang 1 month na yung wound niya. And ang kinagulat ko sa kanya, because nangyayari ito is around March. My sister graduated from college, so sabi ko sa tita ko, Tita, I need to go home because my sister is graduating. Then after 1 month na pagtitake niya nito, nabalitaan ko yung tita ko pupunta sa simbahan at ang kinagulat ko, nag-divisoria na siya right after 1 month ng surgery. Sabi ko, Tita, sabi nga sa'yo mababa immune system mo, divisoria. So, divisoria, fresh. Sabi niya, kaya ko malakas ako. And ang ano nito, yung sugat ko, kasi dalawa na siya, dito kinuha yung ugat sa legs niya. Yung 12 years ago, maitim pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. But the new one, ang ganda, maputi siya. Yun yung difference, ang bilis ng healing process niya nung nag-take siya ng 4th year. Hanggang ngayon, tinatapos siya ng 6 months. Kaya yung mga ka-sisters niya, laging tinatanong siya, parang ang lakas mo, anong sekreto mo? What's your secret? Bakit parang ang ganda mo, nagpa-botox ka ba? Parang kasi nung nagkasakit siya, lahat yan bulaga. Para siyang, na siya 79 years old. Pero ngayon, pang-5th month na niya. Parang...
So, yeah. Those are just some of the things that I can really share. Yes, I really would want to advise you to take Portier before having angiogram.
May chance naman na hindi mo na kailangan ng angiogram.
Ipag-pray lang. Kasi actually ang angiogram is a diagnostic test to really see kung unsa kakapal yung blockage. Oo. Pero at least you can take Portier first. Okay? So, Ma'am Wilma, in case dunay mga questions nga gusto nimong ipangutana, gusto niya dili matubag dayon ni Ma'am Regina or ni Ate Marge, I will leave you my number 0265909815. You can directly call. Di ko ka comment. Dala 0265909815. So you can directly call to ask or to clarify or paila lang og manawag ka. At least doon po kay numbers ako and I can also help to answer questions. Kanang kaya ra po na kung tubagon ng questions. Okay? So yeah, I think it's getting late and Ma'am Regina, gi-add ka sa Facebook. JL Partosa pa accept na lang ko.
Di ba mo friend?
Dili pa karon lang ko nag-search sa iya. Kaya mo ko may
Sabi na ko friend.
Oy, friends na niya. Very close friend. Ganito ka close, Sige. So, thank you so much, Ma'am Wilma, for joining. Thank you, Ma'am Erlyn, Ma'am Araceli, Mars, and Arnold Garcia. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much also, Rani. I think Rani is here. Thank you, Ma'am Regina and Ate Marge. Good night, and may God bless everyone. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Manihapon na ta.
Sige na. Go. Bye-bye.